Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. Once again, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. So now let's take a look at this gold for this week. First of all, we can see that there was an impulse move, right? If you take a look at this, we can see a little bit of a minor correction. Then another move was made here. You can see that this gold, which came to our 20 period simple moving average. Of course, we expect a reaction and we can see this bullish move. We actually predicted this bullish move, right? If you watch my analysis last week, if you've been following, you will know that I actually predicted this bullish move and you can see there is a correction. Now, what we'll be expecting is another drop. So basically, this week, we are expecting gold to actually give us a bearish move. Though it just depends on the entering point, by the way. So gold has actually been given to give us this drop. I know many of you will be asking, probably why don't you allow it to actually come here? But the problem is that DXY will be giving us a bullish move. So any other PSU will be trading to either our USD or our DXY should be falling. So since we'll be expecting an uptrend move on DXY or USD, then we expect gold to actually drop. So this week, next week, next 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we'll be expecting a bullish move on DXY or our USD index. So with that, we expect gold to actually drop. So this gold, I will be expecting it to actually drop. It's a level of 1790. Probably next week, we have probably a bearish move to be made this week and next 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks' time, within 2 weeks' time, this week and next week, let's see if price will be able to hit a level of 1790, possibly break below that level. So that is what I'm watching out for. But let's see how price eventually, reacts. By the way, so by this price this week, we are expecting a drop down to the daily time frame. So I mean, when you take a look at this moment, price eventually came to tape and hit our 20 period, it broke above our, it came to tap our 10 period moving average, hit our 20 period moving average, broke above it. So I'll be expecting a rejection around this level we are currently at. We can see we are at the level of 1854. Around that level, I'll be expecting gold to actually drop. So watch out for a drop on gold. So I just don't know when it will actually play out. Could it go bullish before it drop? Yes, gold is very much capable of going probably to a level of 60, 1860. It is very much capable of going to a level of 1870 before it drop. But one thing for sure is that this week we will be having a bearish move. So if in case you are interested in trading gold, especially the entry point, or if you are the type you are actually blowing up your account, you're actually having losing trade, I want you to actually sign up to my Patreon channel. I'm going to put a link to the Patreon channel so you sign up, become one of my Patreon subscribers so you'll be able to get high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. You'll be able to win it. So check my channel, you check the playlist, you'll see some of the trade you actually took in the past. You can watch it to confirm if you have actually had a winning trade there or not. So this is one of the trade that I actually took last week. We can see it about February 27, right? Which was the Monday. On 28th was on Tuesday, Wednesday was one, Tuesday, Thursday was second, Friday was the third. So you can see it February 27th to March 3. These are the trade I actually took. And it's even one more trade that is still going to plan. So once that trade actually gets to the plan, I'm going to share it, right? So US 30, we can see we actually profited from it. USD, we actually profited from it. Even Nasdaq 100, we actually profited from it. This card Swiss franc is still going, right? It has not gotten to our profit level, but it is still trading. I believe this Monday, by Monday, we should be able to hit our profits. And we still have one more trade that is still going, right? Which I don't want to share it with you, but we are to catch about 280 pips in that trade. So once you actually get to that level, I'm going to share it. So like I said, you can check this channel. If you have been following this channel, now that I'll be giving you high probability trade, right? So you know our trade 70%, more than 70% of my analysis here actually get to its profits, right? So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you're going to get high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. That is the trade I'll be sharing. The link will be in the comment section. Sign up, become one of our Patreon subscribers so you'll be able to get such trade. Now back to this my goal. You can see that on this 4-hour time frame, price is literally still going bullish, right? Like I said, price is very much likely to hit a level of 1860 to a level of 1870 before we get a drop. This week, we will be expecting a drop on gold. So just watch out for it. I'm going to be giving analysis on gold on this my Patreon channel. So once you become my subscriber, you'll be able to get this analysis and you'll be able to trade and profit, from it.